Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add word effect on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, select the chat on which you want to add word effect. Next, tap on the chat. After that, tap on profile icon. Next, you can see the option of word effects. Tap on it. Then you can see word effects. Tap any one of it of your choice. Then press the arrow button. After that, check the effect which you have added. So, this is how you can add word effect on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.